do you know that there is a big gap between these A levels and O levels? It takes a long time for a student to adapt to that A level. Until each student adapt to the A level, they don't have the patience. So now, I always say that now, always many times I'm saying this because now, you just suddenly you came to these A levels because you know that there is a big gap between these A levels and O levels, right? So whatever the simplifications, sums and questions that you have done in your O levels is not in the same way like in A levels. Because we know that when it comes to A levels, the way that we think that the simplifications, everything is very complex. It takes any level of student, even you are bright or even you are weak or that does not matter. It takes a long time for a student to adapt to that A level. The most important thing is until each student adapt to the A level, they don't have the patience. Right, because we know that different students have different capacities. Differently, in order to adapt to A levels, different students take different time. So one student can easily catch up everything within 1 month, but one student takes roughly 6 months. Some students come to the track after 1 year. So therefore, the problem is any student, if they have an interest and passion, obviously they will adapt to A level. But the problem is most of students, they don't have the patience until they adapt to the A levels. So they just start compare with their friends. If not, just as soon as your school term to start with your first term test results, you guys completely fed up and you guys come to a conclusion that I am not good in A-level math science streams. Then you stop working, you stop doing hard work. You just because you came to these A-level math science streams, you just go in that path and just take whatever the result. So therefore, be very patient. Don't compare yourself with the others because different students have different abilities. They take different time to adapt A levels. Just because your friend could do the question within 1 minute, 2 minutes, that does not mean that your friend will go for 3-year result. So therefore, it's a progressive result. It just continuously you keep on working, keep on practicing, follow what your teachers always say, and then expect you are now. If you want to judge yourself, do the A-level exams based on the A-level results. Judge yourself. Until you are a real A-level exams, even school term test or whatever, you don't think so much. Every day, try to keep on progress yourself daily. So I always say that if you have the interest, because if someone does not have the interest, then definitely that student cannot survive in the field actually. But if a student has an interest, I can guarantee that whatever the result that student planned, he will obviously get. So right? Okay.